As I read this, please note that it is shared twice on here, so it's the same reading twice. Follow along on the left side. Layers of the atmosphere. Do you ever look at the sky and into space and wonder what's it made of? The Earth is a whole world of science surrounding our Earth to help us survive and thrive. Our Earth is surrounded by a mixture of gases called the atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere reaches from Earth's surface to more than 600 kilometers. That's approximately 370 miles into space. Earth's atmosphere is made up of gases that are important to living things. Gases that make up the Earth's atmosphere, like oxygen, carbon dioxide, are not harmful to living things. In fact, they support and protect the living things on Earth. Our atmosphere is made up of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases, such as hydrogen, methane, helium, argon, and carbon dioxide. Humans and animals take in oxygen to breathe, while some bacteria can change nitrogen into a substance plants can use to build proteins. Higher in the atmosphere, a form of oxygen called ozone works as a shield for living things, protecting them from a lot of harmful radiation given off by the sun. As you travel further from the Earth, air temperature and air pressure both change. Our atmosphere has been organized by scientists into 5 layers with various properties. As altitude, distance from Earth increases, air pressure decreases, but temperatures vary. The layer nearest the Earth, 0 to 16 kilometers or 0 to 9 miles from the surface, is called the troposphere. This is where all weather happens, and is where more than half of the air in the total atmosphere is. As altitude increases in this layer, temperature drops. The stratosphere, 16 to 15 kilometers or 9 to 31 miles from Earth's surface, is where most airplanes fly and is where the protective ozone layer lies. Temperature increases with altitude in this layer. The third layer from the surface is called the mesosphere, 50 to 90 kilometers or 31 to 55 miles from Earth. In the mesosphere, temperatures drop, resulting in this being the coldest layer of the atmosphere. This is also where meteors burn up and radio waves are reflected to Earth. The farthest 2 layers from the Earth's surface are the thermosphere and exosphere. Thermosphere, 90 to 300 kilometers or 55 to 186 miles from the surface, is the hottest layer of the atmosphere. As temperature increases with altitude, beautiful curtains of lights called auroras occur in this layer. Finally, the exosphere, 300 to 600 kilometers or 186 to 372 miles from the surface, is the outermost layer of the atmosphere where temperature increases with altitude. This is the layer where satellites orbit the planets. Each layer of our atmosphere serves a specific and important purpose in maintaining life on Earth. The next time you look into the sky, you should appreciate the complexity and protection Earth's atmosphere provides.